Welcome to Rustbuster's Installation Guide
for Ram's 2009 to 2018 1500 pickup.
Before you begin, if you're uncomfortable performing any of the processes listed in this guide, then we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you are following all of the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery. Inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Repair or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazard.
Step 2. Uninstall and lift your truck's bed. Uninstall and remove the fuel tank and any fuel lines near the rear of the vehicle. Step 3. Remove the rear fuel tank crossmember by cutting along the base of the part where it attaches to the frame rails. Make a cut in the center of the crossmember to make removal easier. Remove any frame rot, rust, or debris from the work area, and spray the work area with a weld-through primer. Align the replacement crossmember on the frame rails using the factory parts silhouette. Following proper welding procedure, tack weld the part in place prior to welding all edges fully. Step 5. Paint the part with rust inhibitor to prevent or reduce future rust formation. Step 6. Reinstall the fuel tank and fuel lines, then lower and reinstall your truck's bed. Now, get back out on the road.